Thank you so much. It was
So
good.
now you are 2.5% Georgian. If you drink this 5 full, you will get the passport.
Last time it was 4.
All right. I'm not in a good mood today, so it's fine.
Thank you. What's the name? What's the name of this? Okay. This is the famous one, right?
Yeah, this is the most sold one. Bestseller.
Cool. So ये जो stop है, the experience that we are having is really next level. Only this is our lunch today, and the ingredients that we are having: the fresh bagged, non-yield, no chemicals in the bread, the fresh made cheese, homemade cheese, I would say, really juicy, and then the last one, the fresh tomatoes. It makes a Georgian sandwich, and this is our lunch for the day. And I don't know, we don't need to pay for this. The freshness of the ingredients is what it is making it unique, and the taste is next level. The fresh cheese, the fresh breads, and the fresh tomatoes. You don't need any spices to put in it, and especially if you're hungry, it makes amazing, sumptuous. So this is my group today, who is gonna having this fresh bread with. All right, thank you. Oh my god.
Guys!
Two.